Hello students. So today we are going to solve question number 25 of accounting ratio from the book DK Goyal. Okay, in the previous video we solved till 24, question number 24. Now see the question number 25. Following, ascertain the debt equity ratio. Share capital, capital reserve, general reserve, profit and loss balance, debentures, loan, long-term provisions, current liability and current asset. Okay. Now first see. First calculate the long-term debt. Long-term debt. तो लॉन्ग टर्म डेट में क्या क्या आ जाएगा? देखो, जनरल रिजर्व है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बैलेंस नहीं आएगा। हाँ, डिबेंचर्स आता है, 8% डिबेंचर्स, 8% डिबेंचर प्लस 10% लॉन्ग टर्म लोन, 10% लॉन्ग टर्म लोन, then long term provision. Long term provision, what is this long term provision? Employee long term provision such as gratuity, pension, etc. That will come, medical allowances, that will all come under the long term provisions. So long term provision and current liability will not come under this, and current asset will not come under this. Now the value is 5 lakh, 3,40,000, 5 lakh, 3,40,000 plus provision 1,12,000. ठीक, so 5 lakh, 3 lakh 40, 8 lakh 40,000, 112,000, 952,000. Clear? So the debt is 952,000 rupees, 9,52,000. Okay. Now calculate the equity or shareholders fund. ठीक है? Now equity और शेयर होल्डर्स फंड, चलो ये भी लिख देते हैं, शेयर होल्डर्स फंड. सो व्हाट विल कम अंडर दिस? शेयर कैपिटल. ठीक है, शेयर कैपिटल 6 लाख. Under the shareholders fund, what will come? Share capital. The next is reserve and surplus. Okay. Now the next point is not directly reserve and surplus is not directly given, but under the reserve there is the capital reserve and general reserve is given. Okay. रिजर्व के अंडर में क्या आता था? रिजर्व के अंडर में क्या आता था? कैपिटल रिजर्व एंड प्लस जनरल रिजर्व, यही तो आते थे, यही दोनों दिए हुए हैं. ओके, सो वी राइट बोथ 3,20,000 and the general reserve 60,000. क्लियर? पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है? ठीक है. नाउ द प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस बैलेंस, and profit and loss balance will come under the surplus. Okay, surplus. सरप्लस में क्या आएगा? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का डेबिट बैलेंस और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस का क्रेडिट बैलेंस, both will come under the point surplus, heading surplus, sorry. Now profit and loss balance is 1,40,000 and it is positive because it is not given in the bracket 1,40,000. Okay, all right, completed. Now 6 lakh, 320, 60, 140, 1120, 000, 11,20,000. Okay, now debt equity ratio. Debt equity ratio will be So debt is 9,52,000 upon equity 11,20,000. 000 cancel. 952 divided by 0.85. 0.85 is to 1. Okay. So answer is same. Now 0.85 is to 1 is your answer. ठीक है. So your question number 25 is also complete. And in the next video, we will see question number 26. Okay.